What's up people, I'm Joel and this is an unboxing, installation, and a short demo of the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. So several months back I started venturing into home automation and it's been working very well for me in making my daily routines much simpler. So far we've automated lights, switches, outlets and plugs, television, air conditioning, and now we're going to be automating my front door lock. It took me a while to do this project because my door is fitted with the rather unpopular Euro profile door lock, unlike most doors which are fitted with the standard American deadbolt. I've spent months trying to find a complete smart lock solution that would be compatible with my door, and then I finally came across Nuki. It's a European brand smart door lock solution that provides keyless smart access without having to modify any of your current door setup. It also integrates with popular home assistants like Google Home, Siri, and Alexa. What's good about it though is you can still use your old keys to open your door manually and you don't lose any of the mechanical functionality. So what I got is the Nuki Combo 2, which includes the Nuki Smart Lock and the Nuki Bridge, which allows you to hook up the smart lock into your Wi-Fi. This is for €299. I also got a cylinder replacement, which makes my current cylinder more compatible with the lock. This is for €70. Adding the import tax of around €64 brings the total to €433, which is roughly around 24,500 pesos. Yes, automation is in nowhere around cheap. So let's unbox this thing and see what's inside.
So let's start with the SIBA double cylinder lock. It's a Euro profile lock, which will make my cylinder more compatible with the Nuki Smart Lock. We have here the security card, which you will use when you want the keys duplicated. We also have a set of 3 keys, some manuals, and then you have the actual cylinder lock plus the screw that goes in the middle. The next one you have is the Nuki Bridge, which is the device that you will use to connect your smart lock to your Wi-Fi network. That's a beautiful box with some yellow accent, and inside we have some manuals. And then we have the actual Nuki Bridge device. And that's pretty much it. And then finally we have the Nuki Smart Lock, which is the second part of the combo. Again, we have the beautiful, sturdy, premium looking box. Nuki logo on the bottom. We have a welcome card, manuals, we have a set of mounting plates, a wrench, a door sensor, and then finally, we have the actual Nuki device.
Installation is pretty easy if you're installing the smart lock in the fully compatible existing lock. However, in my case, the existing Euro cylinder on my door does not fully support all the features of the Nuki Smart Lock, and so I had to replace it with a fully compatible one. So we start with removing the existing cylinder and replacing it with a new one. Once removed, it's time to pop in the new double Euro cylinder and tightly fix it in its enclosure. Now we are ready to install the smart lock. From this point, it will not take you more than 5 minutes. First, we must choose which mounting plate we must use. The package comes with 2 plates, and you choose depending on how far the cylinder is sticking out from the enclosure. Mine fits plate A perfectly, and I feel like it is more secured because it attaches to the cylinder through 3 screws. Simply fit the plate into the cylinder and use the provided wrench to fasten it in place. Finally, we take the smart lock and insert the provided batteries in place. Align the grooves at the back of the smart lock into the back plate and push all the way through until you hear a click.
Don't forget the door sensor. Take the adhesive off the door sensor piece and place it opposite the Nuki device right into the door frame.
And you are done. The next step is to set up the Nuki app and pair it to the smart lock. Just follow the guided setup and it will take you through the registration, calibration of the lock, and activation of the door sensor. If you want to remotely control your smart lock or integrate it with home assistants like Google Home and Amazon Alexa, you must also register and activate the Nuki bridge. Now that we have completed the setup, it's time for some demo. You can unlock or lock your door using your smartphone. You can also manually turn the dial to lock or unlock your door. There is also a button on the dial that you can push to lock or unlock the door. Finally, with Nuki Bridge, you can use home assistants like Google Home to lock or unlock the door using voice commands.
Okay, Google. Unlock door.
Can I have your PIN to unlock the Joel Smart Home main door? Okay, requesting to unlock Joel Smart Home main door.
Okay, Google. Lock door.
Okay, requesting to lock Joel Smart Home main door.
Nuki Smart Lock offers a lot of other advanced features, such as auto lock, which lock or unlocks the door automatically when you are near based on your GPS location, lock and go, which locks the door automatically after it has been open for a few seconds, monitoring of all door activities, and also key assignment so you never have to share your key to allow someone to access your door.
So there you have it, friends. If you too are interested in the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0, make sure to check out the website through the link provided below. I will continue to do some more automation at my home. Actually, my next target would be my curtains, so make sure to check that out. Follow me, message me. If you're interested in home automation in general, I can give you some advice and quick tips on how to do it yourself. So till next time.